Hello student, welcome to 7th standard social class. Now question 10. Do you know the foreign power which ruled India for 200 centuries? As they ruled English. Do you know why did they came to India? As for trade or business relationship. In today's video, let us learn about the Europeans' power which came to India for trade under the title Advantage of the Europeans to India. In today's section, we learn about understand early activities of the Europeans in India, understand the conflict that merged between Europeans and Indians, get acquainted with the Europeans' companions that came to India. Now let's learn about the Portuguese 1498 to 1961. On the 17th May 1498, Vasco da Gama reached Calicut in Kerala, thereby discovering a new sea route to India. Through this sea route, the Portuguese were the first among the Europeans to reach India. They gained trade monopoly with eastern countries. Building colonial empire, propagation of Christianity were their main aims. Now, causes for the rise of Portuguese. Zamorin, the king of Calicut, granted the trade permission to Viager Vasco da Gama. In 1909 CE, Albuquerque was appointed as governor of India. In 1510, he captured Goa from the Sultan of Bijapura. Until Portuguese left India, Goa remained the capital of the Portuguese. Governors after Albuquerque established colonies at Diu Daman, Salsette, Basin, Chaval, Bombay, Santom, and Hooghly in Bengal and other places. Now let's learn about causes for the decline of the Portuguese. Possession of strong navy by the Dutch and the English posed a formidable challenge to the Portuguese. Portuguese government officials became highly corrupt, losing their loyalty, later reduced their government a pathetic condition. Religious fanaticism was the reason for their decline. They attempted to convert the locals forcefully. With the decline of Vijayanagara Empire, their trade declined. Now let's learn about the Dutch. After the Portuguese, Dutch from the Netherlands arrived in India in 1602. Dutch East India Company was established. This company obtained monopoly to trade with countries in the East. It also came equipment with the mandate to wage battles or enter the peace treaties with local rulers. Pulicat became the capital of the Dutch. Dutch trading centers Agra, Machilipattanam, Surat, Karaikal, Nagapattanam, Cochin and such other places were Dutch trading centers in India. Decline of the Dutch clashed with the English, but the English defeated the Dutch. Unable to face the English competition, the Dutch turned their attention toward the island of the Southeast Asia. Island of the Southeast Asia, Indonesia, Malaya, Thailand, Philippines, Cambodia. Next came to the power the English East India Company. Now just take down revisions.
How can I feel the joy of being with you? How can I chase the pain away for good? Well, it's just calling me, all is not true. I bring some mistletoe with me. Christmas is waiting for you.
Now homework time. Thank you student. See you in next video.